Sandalwood bath gift set are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and pad up a list of the best sandalwood bath gift set from trustworthy brands to assist you in marking a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. I make money from qualifying purchases as an Amazon associate. As a result, if you click on an Amazon affiliate link on one of my sites, I will be compensated for the sale. You won't pay any extra for it, and it supports the site's ongoing operations. Sandalwood is a widely popular fragrance element, particularly in men's colognes. It offers aromas with a mildly sweet, woodsy aroma that lends itself well to the world of perfume. Given how popular this note is, some individuals are looking for colognes with sandalwood as the primary ingredient. I'm going to outline the top choices for men's colognes with a significant sandalwood component in this piece. Sandalwood Cologne by Taylor of Old Bond Street, 100 milliliters. This fragrance has a much more pure sandalwood scent than many of the others. This vintage scent enhances the woody base with floral notes including lavender, carnation, and geranium. It has a subtler aroma and is not a weak one. Sandalwood by Taylor of Old Bond Street is a dry, reassuring, and reasonably priced option. Without the added spices found in some of the other products on the list, Taylor's sandalwood has a fresher smell. With the sandalwood-lavender combination, it occasionally becomes somewhat soapy. Then, it can be fresh and powdered. Santal Royal is a more recent addition to the list that I had the opportunity to try out over the past year. Its size is 4.2 ounces divided by 125 milliliters. This Guerlain fragrance begins with the main performers were oud and leather. The cinnamon note and sandalwood are first just a side interest. At first, it is quite thick and rich, with a rose note adding sweetness and a tinge of fruitiness. Santal Royal does get to smell much more like sandalwood as time goes on. It is smoother and drier, with the leather note serving as the primary partner for our target ingredient. Here, the sillage is powerful and incredibly long-lasting. It's a manly fragrance for the drier seasons of the year. Thank
you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.